Welcome to the Cognitive Psychology, Learning and Memory lesson on language and speech disorders. By the end of the video, you will learn about defining language and speech disorders, language disorders and speech disorders. Language and speech disorders are common and can greatly affect how a person communicates. They can affect anyone, from kids learning to talk to adults with brain injuries. Understanding these disorders helps us recognize them early and apply treatments that improve communication and quality of life. Speech disorders include problems with fluency, voice, and articulation. For example, a person with a voice disorder may sound hoarse or have trouble with pitch, making them hard to understand. Fluency disorders like stuttering cause an uneven flow of speech. Early treatment can help improve speech clarity and communication skills. Articulation disorders make it hard to form speech sounds correctly. This can result in unclear speech. Kids with these disorders may struggle to express themselves, affecting their social and academic lives. Speech therapy can greatly improve their speech, boosting their confidence and reducing frustration. Language disorders affect the ability to understand and express language. These can be due to developmental delays, brain injuries, or neurological conditions. Symptoms include trouble following directions or using incorrect words. Tailored language intervention plans can help improve these skills. Aphasia is a language disorder caused by brain damage, often from a stroke. People with aphasia may speak in short phrases or have trouble understanding language. Rehabilitation helps them use their remaining language abilities and retrain their brains. Autism spectrum disorder, ASD, often involves significant communication challenges. Some people with autism may not speak at all or repeat phrases. They may struggle with conversation flow. Speech therapy and behavioral interventions can help them improve their communication skills. Dyslexia is a learning disability that affects reading, writing, and speaking. People with dyslexia may struggle with recognizing letters and sounds, affecting their speech. Structured literacy programs that focus on phonemic awareness can help improve reading and speaking skills. Alzheimer's disease affects the ability to use language effectively. Patients may have trouble finding the right words or simplifying their language. Supportive communication strategies like using simpler sentences and visual aids can help improve interactions. Specific language impairment, SLE, affects children and delays their language skills without an obvious cause. These children may struggle with sentence formation and grammar. Speech and language therapy can help them improve their communication skills. Developmental phonological disorders affect the clarity of speech due to difficulty learning sound rules. This can affect reading and spelling. Speech therapy focusing on sound production can improve clarity and educational outcomes. Dyspraxia affects motor coordination and speech production. Verbal dyspraxia makes it hard to plan and coordinate speech movements. Treatment involves speech therapy, physical therapy, and occupational therapy to improve speech and coordination. That's it for now. For additional information on this lesson, please look at the content below the video in the online course. To get a list of the important questions and their answers for this lesson, please refer to the guidebook by our publications provided to you with this course for free. It shows you a list of all the questions that have the highest chance of coming in your next exams based on research carried out on previous year question papers. All the best, and I'll see you in the next lesson.